welcome to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. In today's video, I'm sharing my extreme laundry motivation to hopefully help motivate you to have a laundry day to get caught up. In my laundry day, I'm sharing with you my laundry products and what works for me. And I'm doing several loads of laundry today and cleaning my laundry room as well while I'm at it. So if you are new, I'd love for you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So I'm starting with all these piles of laundry like you just saw. I have 4 piles of laundry. I have 1 in my bedroom, 2 piles in the bathroom, and I have 1 pile that's already here in the laundry room, as you can see here. And as you know, these piles are not sorted yet, so I've got to do that. So with the laundry products that I use in my laundry, I don't use all of these at one time, but I use the Tide Pods, which I love. I have the I use the Unstoppables by Downy, as well as the Downy fabric softener. I also use the laundry sanitizer, you guys. That is the best. I love it, absolutely love it. And I also use white vinegar sometime as well, but I highly suggest the laundry sanitizer. If you guys can find it, I highly suggest that you please just get 1 container and use that. And I'm telling you, you will love it. I forgot to tell you guys, also in the mason jar, I use OxiClean powder, and sometimes I put a load of that for stains in my washer. I don't always use these products, but I do use them often. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting with the laundry that's already sitting in my laundry room, so that way I can tackle my laundry room and wipe my cabinets and my countertops, and also wipe out the washer and dryer. And you know, being realistic with you guys, I don't always get to wipe these things down often. So that is why I'm putting it on the list, so that way I can knock it out today.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. So beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours.
Okay, you guys, so in this pantry here that's in my laundry room, my brother actually made this cabinet for me. Thank you so much, Michael. Shout out to you. But what's in here is all of my cleaning supplies that I have, and I need to clean this out. I really do. It's a mess in here, but I am not going to be cleaning out in this video because this is a laundry motivation video. So we're going to stick to just that. But in an upcoming video, I will be organizing and decluttering this closet, closet pantry thing that's here in my laundry room. And I also want to put this out in my garage, and that way I can have a little more room in my laundry room because it's not that big. Okay, you guys, so I'm moving on now to wiping these cabinets down. And I'm not going to clean these cabinets out again because I think that's an organization video, but I am going to just wipe these down just because of the dust that flows up here in the laundry room. And then I'm going to wipe the countertop on top of my washer and dryer, and also wipe down my washer and dryer.
I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Seen a sky so blue, and you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
guys, I have 1 minute left on the dryer, so that gives me enough time to wipe this dryer down before it stops, and I have to fold and put that load of laundry away. And then I'm going to get my Dyson once it's finished, and I'm going to vacuum out the lint area that's in there, and just get all of that deep down in there out.
I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
My laundry's almost done, so I usually fold my laundry here on my kitchen table because it's closest to my laundry room. But first I need to clean this table off and wipe it down. I'm probably gonna wipe the chairs down too while I'm at it. But tell me, where do you usually fold your laundry? Do you have a table in your laundry room or a specific area that you like to fold your laundry, or maybe while watching TV, or what? Comment below, tell me what you guys do when you're folding laundry and where.
Oh, it's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream. Really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the. I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get so lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not. But I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this.
You guys, so this is the end of my laundry motivation video and showing you my laundry products. I hope this laundry motivation video helped you through the weekend, and if it did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.